Hi guys and girls, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333. If you're not following me, then do start follow for more profitable trading ideas and educational videos. And before starting the video, I would request you that the information I'm providing in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Guys, Lisk has given more than 424% profit. It has given a very, very huge profit from the down from 25 or 29 cents up to $1.54 up to here. So the question is that should we buy Lisk here or not? So for that, I've just published an article on TradingView and on different platforms as well. I'm also sharing my TradingView's link in the video's description. You just need to click on that link, and after that, you will be on the TradingView site. When you will be on the TradingView, you just need to select the people option from this drop down like this and write my name Moon 333 and select it from this drop down. You will be on my portal, on my page, and here you will find all my posts and my articles I have published here. Now, first, we need to understand how it has taken the bullish divergence. And to understand this, we need to go to the live chart. And this is a live chart of Lisk with US dollar. And here on 2-week chart, we can easily understand that the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern. And this pattern was so much perfect. You can see this is initial leg. The A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci as required for the A to B leg of bullish butterfly pattern, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And then we have the final retracement. The final leg is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. The exact retracement is 1.414 Fibonacci. So from this area was a potential reversal zone from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and from here the price action was supposed to take the bullish divergence at any time, and the price action took a very powerful bullish divergence. Here you can see I'm just placing the cursor here, and you can see the lowest price. It will be appeared here. It was 29 cents, and after that the price action moved up to $1 and 52 cents. That is more than 424% profit. Now the question is that how we can buy it here, because it has already quite up. So if we want to enter in the trade of Lisk, is it possible or not? So this chart is executed. This trade is executed. We are already in the 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci of A to D Fibonacci projection. I normally suggest my viewers to, whenever the price action is taking the bullish divergence, in entering in this Fibonacci projection of A to D Fibonacci legs or Fibonacci projection area, then we should take exit from the trade. But this is not necessary that the price action will be dropped down from here. If you want to enter in the trade, there is another. We have some other options for that. We have some other tips and tricks for that. Let me tell you. First, we can have an idea how much the price action is bullish at this time also. This is the month chart. This was the 2-week chart, and this is the month chart. And here we can see on month chart, the MACD is turned bullish, strong bullish for the first time. You can see this green bar, a very small green bar. This is the histogram of the MACD. Uh, First, you can see the momentum was strong bearish, and it was changed to weak bearish, and now it is changed completely to the strong bullish. And here we have also received a bullish signals from the MACD. If I'll make it or zoom it more, then you can see a clear bull cross between the moving averages of this MACD moving average convergence divergence. And RSI, the relative strength index, is already in the oversold zone, so it has very far more capacity to move up to overbought zone. So far, it has never visited overbought zone. We have been in the oversold zone for more than a year, since even 2018. We are in May 2018. We are in the oversold zone, as per BitBay chart. And we have received a bull cross from the stochastic from a very deep of the oversold zone in the month of October 2019. And after that, you can see now the stochastic is entering in the body, and it has also a very big capacity to move up to the overbought zone. For the first time, a stochastic will be also visiting the overbought zone for the first time if it will visit the overbought zone. So far, it has never visited the overbought zone. All right, now move to the next step, and that is a smaller chart on day chart. We have a very spectacular movement by the moving averages. These are the simple moving averages, and here we can see that 200 moving average, first the 25 moving average, the blue one, is moving up. It has crossed the 50 moving average. This green one is the 50 moving average. And this red one is the 100 moving average. And this black one is the 200 moving average. Now we can see that the 25 moving average has crossed up the 50 moving average, and it has also crossed up the 100 moving average, and now it is crossing up and forming a golden cross with the 200 moving average here. And the 50 moving average has also crossed up the 100 moving average, and soon the 50, we will see the golden cross between the 50 and the 200 moving average as well. So the final golden cross will be between the 100 and the 200 moving averages. So if we will have the order of the moving averages, like in this position, that the 200 moving average will be below all the moving averages, and above 200 moving average, there will be 100 moving average, and above 100 moving average, we will have 50 moving average, and the 25 moving average will be above all. Then we will have this shape, and this is called an alligator open mouth. So when we will have this shape, it can produce a very powerful bullish move or bullish rally, which can push the price action very up, like we have seen here in June 2019. You can see here that the 25 moving average was above all, and after that we have a 50 moving average, then 100 moving average, and then we have a 200 moving average below all these moving averages. In a complete alligator mouth was open, and the price action moved up to $4.60. So the same situation is likely to be formed here again after June 2019. So I'm expecting that it will be happen very soon. And finally, if we see that here at $1.67, the price action it has already shown some resistance. You can see when the price action dropped in the month of June, and in the month of July, the price action tried to move up, and here we have 1, 2, and 3 touches, and after that the price action was failed to move up, and here we have a resistance has been formed in the month of July. And we have 3 touches here where the price action was not able to cross up this level, and that is $1.67. We have 3 touches at this level. Now, after a long time, the price action is moving towards that resistance level again. So if the price action will be not able to cross up this resistance, then it can have another drop, and we have a support of the exponential moving average 10 and the exponential moving average 20, the EMA 10 and EMA 20 as well. You can see every candlestick is closing above these two exponential moving averages. So we have a very strong support on day chart by the EMA 10 and EMA 20. If the price action will be not able to break out this resistance of $1.67, then the price action can again have another drop, and from EMA 10 or EMA 20, it can have another bounce, and after that, we can see that the price action may break out this resistance level. I'm very much optimistic about the breakout, because if we place the volume profile on the complete price action of this Lisk with US dollar, then we can see from almost 98 cents up to $2.35. You can see there in this bracket, in this area, the trader's interest is very strong. Even the point of control, the POC of this volume profile is here. So it is not difficult for the price action to hit at least the point of control or POC level of this volume profile that is on above $2. That is almost up, almost at $2.08. But I am very much optimistic that the price action may hit beyond this level up to $2.35, or maybe it will be easily reached at this level of $2.08. So if you want to enter in the trade, then there can be, in my opinion, there can be one situation that uh, we should be more aggressive in thinking to enter in the trade. We shouldn't buy here. We should wait for the breakout. Once the price action will break out this resistance level, after that, because normally what is the price action behavior is that whenever price action break any resistance, uh, it takes some correction really after that. There is some small pullback, and the price action retest the previous resistance, which it has broken as a support, and after a successful retesting, it took another bounce from that support. So we can wait that the price action should break out this resistance like this, and we should wait for a correction move, a pullback, and we should place our buying our order here at the support of $1.67, and after that, when we buy it here, then we can sell it here at $2.08, or we can sell it here at $2.35, where we can see that the trader's interest still exists up to $2.35. Maybe because I'm watching that this year or in the next year, the 2020 and 2021 can be a very good year for the altcoins. So maybe the price action will move more upward. I cannot give you my predictions unless I will receive the more predictions from the price action of Lisk. So I'll keep you updated about the price action of Lisk when I'll receive some more developments. But at this time, if you want to enter in the trade, then you can wait for the price action to break out this resistance level. I would not suggest you to buy it here or below this resistance level. And we can set our stop loss these EMAs, because these EMAs are moving up with the price action. So, and they're providing a complete support to the price action. So far, we can see several candles has been closed above these both EMAs. So we can make our stop loss as EMA 10 or EMA 20. If a complete candlestick will be closed below these EMAs, EMA 10 or EMA 20, whatever you can choose, then we can take exit from the trade as our stop loss. So I hope you have liked the video. If you didn't subscribe to the channel so far, then do subscribe it. I'll be keep posting more beneficial and profitable trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.